So what's number one?
Incog got put in a spliff. GP got put in a spliff. SC got put in a spliff. No CJ got put in a spliff. OT nearly got put in a Riz. Pool nearly got put in a Riz. Max got put in the wig. Gang love crash. Boring.
I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. AC cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Warm up drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first see the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know say a Cogency, pon the Cogency Reacts channel. And today, we have a next one. We're kind of different today, you understand? We have top 10 most disrespectful verses in UK drill of all time. Part 1. This was July 18, 2020. I know since then we get some disrespectful verse from then. So we need a 2021 version. So who this Cheetah? I'm subscribed to Cheetah. Cheetah, we're gonna need a 2021 version of the top 10 most disrespectful drill verses. You understand? UK drill verses. But we don't want to waste too much time. You don't know, we're just here for the violence and the grease and the rudeness and the bars already. So you don't know. Click my links in the description. Check out my gaming channel and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into this shit, man. Alright. This is the MPK song. 6. But this video is Take That Risk from CB. Took it too far and showed no remorse. Alright. Gang. Yanko free now too. So fresh home Yanko. Man say 500 likes. This video got 1 million views. Aye, yeah, number 10. Yeah. Aye.
Don't lack in traffic like Frog,
or you can get shot on your block like
Desi. These guys get way too lucky,
some of they always escaping death.
And when gang pulled up in DG, Lutz run off and he left his friend. But we don't talk about that, we'll back up phone, just rise up skanks. OP's got too much rappers,
not enough slappers.
What's some real top trappers? You can call us the farm but
crashers.
You talk about Marley's drinking lean, but your mate can't sit no lean. You got bun on this sweet 16th. Fuck that, I'm beefing miskins.
Mind out who jumps on the
fam. That one kidney from brain mindset. When people did even just start making these things, I never even know about all of these things are going, you know. After them start make them video, I'm start do like a research and then watch a couple videos and realize say, yo, the man them, there's been videos telling us on YouTube what's been going on out there, you understand? But they were lacking traffic like, or you can get shot on your block like that, you understand? I think I even saw a video. Or is there a video? I don't know, but I saw a video of somebody getting shot on the block, fam. And then I saw the picture of Desi in the hospital, dog. You understand? But you don't know, street life is crazy. Let's go to number 9.
Got bun on this sweet 16th. Fuck that, I'm beefing miskins.
mind out who jumps on the gang bus. Might end up with us in handcuffs in the field.
S13 free now as well. Him fish fillet or fillet. Something like that. Him have a song with tough. You understand? It go like fillet or fillet or something like that.
That's still a run bang up on road, that's stingers and handguns. If I ever see Grinner's mum, I'm due to just spit in her face. Same way if I find where he's resting, I'm gonna go piss on his grave. Won't stop till another one dead. When we ride, that's one in the head. The man fill up the net with verbals. I'm trying to fill a 6 square with lead. No house you can mention CJ. Must have forgot what happened on Free May. And told the 6 was just cool off. Told Diz don't slip on foot. Fuck them man's friends, they drop like flies. I don't know how the 16 feel. The man there want rap about funds and the boy got packed over 15 bills. Why?
The man there want to talk about rats, but your friend got packed over 15 bills. I don't know who that is, but don't lose your life over 15 bills, dog. But even the one for the CT niggas, dog, them friend did kill them friend over some money thing, so it's crazy.
Why the 16 feel? The man there want rap about funds and the boy got packed over 15 bills. Why yes just crashed that corner and I swear man's eardrum started rattling.
But yeah, what you mean? You see Grinner's mom, you're gonna spit in her face, man. Like, our son already dead, bro. Her son is dead. Why you spitting in her face? From one she have beef with? That's crazy. Yeah, I didn't even know he said that shit. That's mad. Wow. Same. AP.
Figure is who from the 156. Who you kidding, you prick? Everyone disperse when they see that stick. Rise it and press it, the leg in the 12, then pressure the 12 love snitch. Back it injecting a fellow and feel up he sweated, then stir off quick.
AP is sick, dog. AP shows him understand about rapping, dog. You understand? Like him know how to put words and bars and flows together, dog. But it's just him just knee deep in the streets, so we not get enough AP music. But big up AP still. We need more AP music.
10-11. Figure is who from the 156. Who you kidding, you prick? Everyone disperse when they see that stick. Rise it and press it, the leg in the 12, then pressure the 12 love snitch. Back it injecting a fellow and feel up he sweated, then stir off quick. And that bitch come dead like whiz. Suck this dick deep throat, then skip. Talking about me getting dipped, but the man only aimed for my arm like, oh my god, why the ops so shit.
Jeez, I mean, RIP Wiz. You understand, man? Say girl get dead, girl dead like Wiz, Jano, RIP. But talking about me get dipped, fam. Does it like I'm sure the up still count it, dog, if they dipped you in your arm, you understand? Cause to them it's still a point, but is it really a point though? Who knows, man? Who knows? Ask them. They are the violent guys. I don't know.
Talking about me getting dipped, but the man only aimed for my arm like, oh my god, why the ops so shit. Splash up anyone's party, why you think our names never put on the list? I ran man down with his dog, the boy so speedy but still got chinged. I gave 8, straight off the hot rid one, ready ching that prick. Like 5 double with 9 double.
You gave him 8 after hard one done ching him, and you know hard one done give him 22 already. So 30 wounds a man get? Jano, dog. I'm joking, it's not 32, but like, fam, you know hard one don't ramp already.
I gave 8, straight off the hot rid one, ready ching that prick. Like 5 double with 9 double, man, jump off the ped with things. I bet T-Wiz was a rebel, it reminds me of Red Bull, they both have wings. And the way that the speakers settle, I step with the metal to pierce my skin. Civilians saw that day, the man had their waps and still got ching.
What?
Wings. I know.
Yeah, that Rebel bar, that T-Wiz had Rebel and Red Bull, Jesus Christ, man. Like the man them just love for this T-Wiz, dog. Jano, man. Fuck it out.
The way that the speakers settle, I step with the metal to pierce my skin. Civilians saw that day, the man had their waps and still got ching.
Just leave it alone. Yeah, this, I know this one.
Why is Castro screaming Beckton? What the fuck?
I'm straight from Dagenham.
Show me your up, I'll crash it, and you might get bun like push the ying in, man, blood squirt on my top, that's
3D graphics.
For the house you dropped again, what can I say?
That's a fucking classic.
These savages are fucking nonsense, so can you
hide your daughter, please?
Only real savages round there, if you wanna find neeks,
you
then
better go
Beckton. Tragedy.
Young Diz got bun and shaved. I guess he just lost some calories.
Ask my man where he's from.
Why is he telling me his nationality?
They couldn't even rip my coat. It was a joke when they was trying to stab me. Them man get bullied in jail. I would say it gets like that,
but it doesn't. Third, yeah, 15 minutes. Alright. Now, my phone run out of battery. So I forgot. What battery? Run out of storage. So I had to go delete some things and forward back. So let's just get this through. You understand? I think I'm good now still. But yeah, let's go.
If he ain't scored no goals on us,
why the fuck do you call him striker? How?
Got dropped on Valentine's Day. He should have been linking a girl with flowers.
Flashed him and he tripped. They took 2 of my tunes down to.
Bro, this was the original disrespectful verse. Like when this came, when I heard about this and I looked this up and I listened to it, bro, I've never heard anything like this at that time. You understand? Just listen.
Mom kept shedding tears. Somebody tell her, I don't give a fuck that her son ain't here. Ever since her son got dropped, the whole block ain't done shit. And I was laughing when I saw the pic of her mum just bury her kid. Got shot and his boy got.
What? What you mean? What you mean you was laughing when you saw the pic of her mum just bury her kid? Like, that's just disgusting, dog. Like, the levels of savagery, my youth. It reached past 100, dog. It's over 9,000. I'm sorry, dog. I'm a nerd. That's the Dragon Ball coming out in me. I understand, but sorry.
And I was laughing when I saw the pic of her mum just bury her kid. Got shot and his boy got killed. Then I ain't even seen him since. On the up block, trying to catch an M. I don't need to pretend. Me and twins got matching skangs. All it takes is to push my buttons and I'll risk it all over again. Don't do it.
Jesus, man. Tugger.
Lambs got put in a spliff. Mello got put in a spliff. K1 got put in a spliff. Rams nearly got put in a spliff. Chop got put in a spliff. Crave back when I was a
Little kid.
Now I'm gone and I splash for
fun.
12 man's been touched in
all night in cause anything green get bun.
Jiggers controlling that dots on your mum's left side.
They get bun.
She'll be dipped till it bends, but he rather go with that gun. Can't wait for the day that I bought young S.
In that bib.
Jumped on rope and
He splashed his friend.
Oh, well, what's next? He's soon gonna die like his fucking friends.
What? Like, just even the way how them a say it, dog, it's like the man them just say it like it's a regular thing. Soon gonna die like his fucking friends. Like, fully, I believe them, you understand?
Life's got a bun in his head. They think about him when they chill on their abs
And
and
they
they
see two man on a ped.
It's fucking pathetic. K1 got killed in the scene. Why the fuck were there paramedics?
Like, dog. What? And the thing is, I don't even want to talk too much about that, dog, but like, man, Jesus. R.I.P. everyone involved, dog. That's all I have to say.
It's fucking pathetic. K1 got killed in the scene. Why the fuck were there paramedics?
Alright, fuck it, man, I gotta say it. More than likely, bro, he probably saw what's going on that night from he was and saw when he was there on the floor, so he was like, K1 got killed on the scene. Why the fuck were there paramedics, bro? Like, the man is telling you, K1 got killed on the scene. He got killed in the scene. Nah, man. Fuck off.
We got packs in abundance, options. How many man's in the coffin? The Kobe 40's got man coughing. Chink got dead, someone had to brush it. But B from them side loves it. Loves give brain, that's Bando's cousin. Or anything purple, rip for a tire. Or Kobe my spliff, all I need is a lighter. I can never be like, oh, savvy snitched. Sing song like Mariah. Or your mum's on Insta 14. Dad got slapped by Trident, shocking. Rems got crashed on a holy day. Sunday, free flow got.
Man is fully talking about your parents in a dog. Like, you and him have beef, and the man go find information for your mother, your father, and start diss them instead of diss you. That's crazy, dog. What you even do? I'm sure you can't find no info about E1 mother and father. But boy, I know.
Insta 14, dad got slapped by Trident, shocking. Rems got crashed on a holy day. Sunday, free flow got salted bait. I got bare man's family stress. He's dead. It's not my fault that Skan's in the grave. It's not my fault that Skan's in a spliff. BG where the gang called JV, that's SOS for anti-green. I got crash on the mains like Josh. Twin bro got boxing that non-stop. We tried to send Poppy to Kobe, but he got saved by the luck of God.
Wow. So, oh, yeah, because they just got sentenced for that something when them try get him down in front of the church thing, you know, dog. And he got saved by the luck of God. And it was in front of the church, and wow. That's insane. Bro, as you can tell, bro, I don't even know how to feel about these bars, fam. It's like, I hear what you're saying, but fucking hell, this is violent. Like, very violent.
Bro got boxing that non-stop. We tried to send Poppy to Kobe, but he got saved by the luck of God. Why do you think we call M Splash? She knows how to use different types of shanks. ZK straight through JV's back. Lack on.
See, no wonder M Splash end up in a fucking pen, dog. Cause you tell them exactly what him do.
Why do you think we call M Splash? She knows how to use different types of shanks. ZK straight through JV's back. Lack on the V, get crashed at Rams. Apparently he shot up the 9. PS tell me who'd you slap? You weren't doing up cheeky snaps. When he butt me and Zed, you was doing up dash. Panic, heart attack. Skangs went missing, lost and found. Now's with Allah, safe and sound.
No. Don't bring Allah into it, bro. Leave Allah out of it.
Panic, heart attack. Skangs went missing, lost and found. Now's with Allah, safe and sound.
Bust them doors, jump out on boats. I did the up boys, tell me we
don't.
Your friend got his brain exposed. Jump out, Sir Rams got slapped and pulled. On the up block, trying to take some souls. Your friends in the coffin,
decompose, lol.
He's in the coffin, rotting. Spill that juice, don't drink it. Swear with dreams so close to
extinction.
The whack got most man
bitten.
Fun man skin, that skin
condition.
Jumped out and he's
already sprinting.
E1 suck your mum with
a straw.
This ain't beef,
little niggas war.
Like me a bitch that stays indoors. Dances at 8 and kids is juice. Skin get beat like.
What?
Little nigga is war. I like me a bitch that stays indoors. Lamps is an
Lamps is an insane case, is Joe.
and kids is juice. Skin get beat like your.
I don't know. But you know them love this the ups, you know, dog. So you can't even them have disses where only them know what it mean. You understand? Cause just like a inside joke thing, like a inside gang thing, like so we'll never know about certain things.
Nigga nigga, it's war. I like me a bitch that stays indoors. Lamps are 8 and K's of juice. You ain't get beat like your bread and telly. We're really tryna pour up boy on telly. Don't get wigged like Kelvin. He would've been alive if you over held me. I swear the Hollywood green they safe. The friends get caved, the whole gang's held it. Swift got chinged in his ends. He just never die like Kamali. And don't get caught on the maze like Ryan Ying. That
Jesus Christ, dog, because they caught Swift and Kamali the same night. Oh, Jesus, man.
Swift got chinged in his ends. He just never die like Kamali. And don't get caught on the maze like Ryan Ying. That down, now Smarty's crying. Dogs got bored and sang to the swine.
Oh my God. And then this. So what's number one?
In Cobb got put in a spliff. GP got put in a spliff. SC got put in a spliff. No CJ got put in a spliff. OT nearly got put in a Riz. Pool nearly got put in a Riz. Nags, Max got bought in the wig. Gang of crash, boring dip. Been circle head of times in a row. We bought this bro. Could've fat bitch. Giving like 20 or more no fibs. Piss, should've got put in a spliff. Aye, remember when I bought up? Had a smile on my face. That was funny as shit. Could've had the big man screaming out mummy. Nowhere near where his mumsy lives.
Jeez, oh, he's dead. Okay, alright. No. Wow. Uncensored. Alright. The thing is, Digga D them forward out and start put T-Wiz name in the song them and say them a smoke Wiz, right? Then uncensored. Then no, Tugger came out with putting a split first. Tugger they put out that whole song, you understand? Putting a split that they come out first. And then in like the December later part of the year, that's when Zone 2 did make Uncensored, dog. You understand? Me, I remember all of these things, you know, bro. I'm not a new drill lister, you know, bro. Me know all of them something a while it did that happen, you know. You understand? And then now we have the Moscow YGs, he's dead. Harlem and Moscow YGs, he's dead. Wow, let's go. J Mash, Young Moscow.
Mono got put in a pack.
He's dead.
Goals got put in a pack.
He's dead.
Thumps got put in a pack.
He's dead.
Abs got put in a pack.
He's dead.
Stomps got put in a pack.
He's dead.
S1 got put in a pack.
He's dead.
C-Roll should be in a pack. How's he alive when I'm fucking back? Don't get blammed on your leg then crawl on the floor like a fucking baby. Rape me, ops in the can you love get rapey. Don't lack in the dance for a Barbie. AM done got chinged up in Carney. What's to the talk?
But the thing is, alright, so these guys are the younger G's, you know, right? But because, you know, England, enough of them youth are on smoke from like 12, 13, 11 maybe, but more likely 12, 13, 14. It's like, when these things are going, them did younger, but more than likely they were in the fuckery as well, fam. They were a part of it. They wanted to know, they wanted to be there. They were probably chinging niggas up at 13, 14, carrying knives. So when I hear them talk about it, it's like, fuck, fam, these niggas it just really showed me that these guys literally grew up in the beef and will probably never leave the beef and probably will die because of the beef. But you know, it's crazy, street life.
Get rapey, don't lack in the dance for a Barbie. AM done got chinged up in Carney. What's to the talk of my doggies? Now you got chinged and left by his doggies. Blacks got chinged in a shop like Walty. Skin got 2 old drink, you know, same week R1 took a big man's soul. Goes in a can, you turn man crow.
Same week R1 took a big man's soul. Then free my nigga. Jesus Christ.
Skin got 2 old drink, you know, same week R1 took a big man's soul. Goes in a can, you turn man crow.
Man say he's in court, can you turn man crow? Oh, he's in jail, can you turn man crow? Yeah, this cheater, yes, I crawl, and I crawl him say crow. Cause crow is like type of weed where nigga smoke or type of weed a nigga sell or a name for weed or something like that, yeah.
R1 took a big man's soul. Goes in a can, you turn man crow. In court, why R went claiming CT, don't hide in court like.
In court, why R weren't claiming CT. Don't hide in court like the pussy Kashif. So when Dope Smoke say you can get shot like Kashif or you can get chefed up like Just Eats. Are the same Kashif this? Me have a cousin named Kashif still, but him not spell like EEF, it's spell IF. Yeah, KASHIF, yeah. But anyway. So yeah, when Dope Smoke did say you can get shot like Kashif or you can get chefed up like Just Eats. Are this Kashif in my top, bro? Let me know.
Pussy Kashif and Solomon's line got put to rest. 3R1 dash shanks in chest.
Oh, Solomon's line. Oh, so R1 did it. Okay. Oh shit. And then Solomon was S1. I thought GI did it. Dog, why am I doing this, dog? I'm sorry, fam. But GI is in. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about that.
Hide in court like pussy is sheath. In Solomon's I ain't got put to rest. 3R1 dash shanks in chest. I'm on the up block with my stab proof vest. Can't be on my blood, that's little S.
Oh man. Anyway, listen. This was fucking cold still. Listen. Let me go back, dog. Let me go back, fam. Yo, YouTube, I'm not a robot, bro. You know this. I'm not a robot. Stop doing this. I don't know what's your problem. Yeah, how we even got to our next video and I'm in my playlist. But anyway, top 10 most disrespectful verses in UK drill of all time. Bro, as you can tell, like sometimes I did one bop, but it's like when them bring out the disrespect, you know, the verse, I was like, all right, let me just take it easy. I don't want, you know, bop to dead niggas or, you know what I'm saying, niggas dissing dead niggas. I'll just chill. You understand? But this was fucking... I kind of liked it still. Like, I don't want to react to another one. Just to see how tapped that these guys are in the head, fam. Just to see how fucked up they are in the head. You understand? But you don't know. This was Cogency on the Cogency Rocks channel. Top 10 most disrespectful drill verses of all time. And big up Cheetah. I'm more than likely going to go on back on his page and find something else to react to that. Because this video was kind of fun still. So you don't know. Cogency on the Cogency Rocks channel. Now I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.